Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to talk about a new thing I made this week. Microsoft has a thing called Hack Week, and once a year you get to work on a week on whatever you want. And some people do like DIY kind of stuff, like stuff with robotics or whatever. And I made a thing called Xamarin.Android.Lite, and it's not a real thing, but maybe it's a good idea. Maybe it's useful. We'll see. Um, so first, let's talk about Xamarin Android proper, or the real Xamarin Android. Uh, it's slow. Well, it can be slow for several reasons, and Android apps in general, their build times are slow, even Java. But it runs a tool called apt that processes Android resources, and that takes a while. It runs javac to compile Java code, and it runs dx or d8 to convert compiled Java to Android format. And so I thought, what if we didn't do all of this stuff? What if we could build an Android APK up front and not go through all of this? So let me show you what I made. So what I've got here, I'm screen sharing my Pixel 2, and I've got Visual Studio Code just to show you. You can do this with just command line. You could also do this in Visual Studio if you wanted to. But what I've got here is just a .NET Standard 2 project, and I've imported one NuGet package, Xamarin.Android.Lite. You may want to look and just make sure you get the latest. This version might be different when this goes out. But other than that, that's it, really. This is basically the file new master detail project that you get in Visual Studio when you create a project. So I didn't write this code. This is just kind of the default. So then from there, we're going to run the restore target. This is restoring NuGet packages. And then from here, let's just build the app, right? So this is the same as if you built just a .NET Standard library. But I've added a few new targets here. Sign Android package. So this actually will make an APK file. You can see here it only took like 2.6 seconds. Now think about how long it takes a regular Xamarin Android app to build right there. On the first build, you could be talking more like 30 seconds. So then from here, let's deploy to the device I have attached. And so this is the initial deploy. And so it took 10 seconds. I should edit this. We should actually run the run target, and it'll actually launch our app. That seems more useful. So this is the regular template you're probably used to here, right? So let's show what if we wanted to change. Say this text, my amazing app, Bazinga app. And let's just say that we wanted to, we saved that file and we deployed, and let's see how fast that goes. My Bazinga app. So that took 3 seconds. Sometimes I've been doing this and it's been a lot quicker. Let's do it again and just see. Yeah, that time it took 2 seconds. Let's see. So that seems pretty useful. That's a lot quicker than if you were using Xamarin Android itself. So let's talk about the limitations. You obviously saw that was a net standard library. That means you don't have native APIs. You can't call into Java. Some ways that's liberating. Some ways that That's the whole point of it, is we're getting a quicker Xamarin.Forms development experience without all this stuff. So images work. You saw on the screen, I had that Xamarin logo. It came from an embedded resource. And this is what I've gotten to work so far in 1 week. There's not debugging, there's not release builds. Those things could definitely happen. I've just not had enough time to get it working yet. So let me know what you think. I think I'm going to end here. If you like it and you think we should work more on this, comment, share it, try it out. I think it's a pretty cool idea myself anyway. Thanks.